Python 2, Alan Chen, Fall 2023. My idea, my idea. This project was inspired by a family game I played with my siblings. During Thanksgiving, we decided to have a competition in our family to see who could get the highest score playing anagrams. I remember how everyone had fun and how we all wanted to win. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about dictionaries and loops, which I used in my projects. I use a dictionary when comparing the user's answer with the real answer. And I use loops when asking the user to guess the scrambled words over and over again. The two code examples were when I make the scrambled words along with the real word, and the second code was a program which decided if you got a point or not. As you can see in the code, this is where all the scrambled words were, and I had to make them myself. And these are the point system. Decide if you got a point, and this was if you want to continue playing or not. I'll I'll run it through. I'll choose the category Minecraft and ask which words do you want me to word be MIN. Probably mine, so I'll put that in. To continue, I'll press yes to let us continue. Well, we're gonna make a TACFR, which is craft, but let's say mine again. Do I continue? And say no. Since we got 1 point, since we only got one word right. My favorite part about working on this project was coming up with the words and the scrambled words. I enjoyed this because I could make topics that I enjoyed, and when scrambling it, I tried to make it as confusing as possible for the user, which made me think about how I would scramble everything up. If I were to improve my project, I would add more topics because I only had three. Make more than one answer for the scrambled words, if it and make the words scramble themselves. Thank you.